Hey everyone, it's Carter from Wheelock Fire Alarms here. Yes, I'm still alive, and today we have a new device. Let's get started. So in this box is a device that I've wanted for quite a long time, and I finally managed to get a couple. So I'm very excited. Why don't we go ahead and open up the box? So it looks like we can just cut along here. And it should slide open. Let's see, it looks like I might have to slide along here too. Alright, and then it looks like the tab comes out. This is packaged very, very well. Alright, there we go. Nice, okay. So, in this box, we have packing peanuts in some plastic bags, and a Wheelock 7002T. I have wanted one of these devices for a very long time, and now I finally was able to get one. It's obviously been pulled out of a building because it has some paint on the side, so it is used. However, it should function like a new device. The front here is very clean, so maybe I'll be able to clean that up a bit. The interesting thing about this device is that it is a Wheelock 7002T12, meaning that it runs on 12 volts DC. That's perfect for me because my current fire alarm panel runs on 12 volts DC, so this will be compatible with my panel. Now, if this box seems a little bit big for just this one device, that's because there are actually two devices in here. So let's go ahead and take the second one out. And in here we have another Wheelock 7002T12. So I have a pair of these devices now, which is pretty cool. This one actually looks to be in a bit better shape than the one on the right, which is pretty neat. Still has some paint, obviously came out of a building, but this should be able to scrub right off and it should be good as new. As you can see, there's the model number for all you model number geeks out there. One cool thing about these devices is that they are famous for the skipping sound that they make because the strobe is wired in series to the horn. And I put my batteries away, but I do have this small 9-volt here. We're going to go ahead and give a very quick test of one of the devices here, just for fun, just to make sure that it works. Here we go. And it seems to work pretty good. The strobe is very dim because it's an older device, but that's to be expected. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you're looking for more ways to support my channel, consider checking out the merch store on Zazzle. The link is in the description, and all the proceeds benefit this channel. With that being said, like the video, leave comments, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.